Hi there, students. Rough and ready. Okay, this is an idiom. If something is rough and ready, it's effective. It's not beautiful. It's not subtle, but it's effective and ready right now. Okay, something that is useful for prompt action rather than something that is refined. Okay, so this is not a refined, elegant solution. This is a rough and ready solution. This is a solution that is going to work, but it's not beautiful. Okay, so something that's rough, it's crude, but it's good enough for the purposes at hand. It's something that you can use right now. Okay, a rough and ready type, somebody who finds instant solutions to problems, rather than somebody who looks for a refined and delicate solution. So something that is rough and ready is done in a hurry. It's rather basic. It's not very exact, but it works. Yeah, it works. It's not the best of the best. It's not the most elegant, but it works. So, yeah, if you are in the middle of nowhere and there are you're lost and you can't find anybody to help you, then you're going to have to find somewhere to sleep for the night. So you find somewhere rough and ready. Maybe you find a cave. Yeah, that would be a rough and ready place to sleep. Yeah, so something rough and ready, not polite, not well educated, but full of vigor and strength and ready to go. So I don't know, a rough and ready person meets an intellectual. These are the two opposites in type. So rough and ready, produced quickly without preparation, but simple and good enough. Rough and ready accommodation. Okay, the work is rough and ready, but it's enough. I think maybe some of my videos are a bit rough and ready. They're enough to explain to you what something means, how to use it, but you haven't got all sorts of beautiful editing or a lovely presenter or things like that, and that's what makes it rough and ready. Do you ever do a rough and ready calculation of how much of something you're going to need? Yeah, you just take some estimates and make a rough. You don't measure it exactly and multiply it. I need 322 and a half of these. No, I need 350 of them. A rough and ready answer. I made a rough and ready meal with what we had, with the little food that we had available. Living in a very rural area can be rather rough and ready. Okay, so you do what's necessary to cover your immediate needs. So something that's rough and ready, unpolished, imperfect, maybe unkempt, but ready for use, ready for action. Not refined, not sophisticated, but enough to do the job, to do what you actually need. So it's something that covers the main issues, but it's a bit rough and ready. It's not exact because it's been made quickly, it's been done quickly. It's not polite, educated or elegant, but it explains the idea. Rough and ready. Okay, so something that's rough and ready. It's rough, it's crude, but it's effective. It will do what you need now. Maybe then, if you've got time, you find a more elegant solution, something that is more polished and works even better. But if it's rough and ready, it works. It's good enough for use, but maybe it's a bit crude, it's not very beautiful, and it's not very smart. So, rough and ready, formality. For For informality, yeah, for informality. Use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but stop there. And then it's rough. Well, it's not smooth, it's not elegant, it's not exact. And ready, it's ready for use right now. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rough and ready.